subsections should mirror the image of the desired geometric shape. Subsections should also be appropriate size to control the hair and fine enough to see the guide. Subsections, once you take big panels, square panels, right? On top, you tie it up, and then you're gonna take another panel here and some in the back, right? This is my bigger panel, the one that I was explaining. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, here. So now, all this, it doesn't mean anything, it just means you are working organized. But now I want to create my shape, okay? I'll take subsections. Vertically, 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 diagonal, diagonal, and I can do also horizontal. So vertically, diagonal, and horizontal. Okay, if you are pulling all subsections that we're gonna do after lunch today, like this, subsections mirror what shape you want to create. So what shape I'm creating here now with the flat layers? Remember now?
Yeah, square. Square.
Square. So if my subsection is diagonal now, what shape I'm creating? It's still square with graduation. This is almost flat layers.
Flat layer. Yeah.
Okay, this is still layered because it's once you grab diagonal, it's still layered because it's almost 90 already, almost 90, but with a little bit of graduation. Okay, now I'm cutting in horizontal. If I pull the hair straight down, I'm creating a mass of weight. But if I pull the hair elevated, it's the same thing if I pull like this, because the hair is elevated. See? If I cut this hair with like this, the hair from here will be short, the hair from here will be long, not elevated. I'm not creating a square shape. It's not elevated. I'm creating a triangular shape, small to long. If I elevate the hair, square, so all subsections will mirror this, the shape you want to create. Flat, square, subsections, and square. If I over 90, cut. If I cut, round. That's my subsections. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Subsections could be taken on the top too. 1. I'm following the round shape of the head, where the hair natural growth. If I do this and cut, square.